What is going on, Lunatic Fringe? Guys, today is this special day. I want you, all day long, in the comments down below. First of all, make sure you hit the like button, leave a comment, do whatever. But there's going to be people that will come in here during the day, and they're going to say things like, "Yeah, it's never going to pump, bro." Well, those people are what the French would call idiots. And I'm not sure what the French word for idiot is. I think it's just, American, whatever. But what's happening and what's going to happen is, these people are what you would call just idiots. I mean, they are dumb people. They don't understand, number one, that people love a redemption story. They love an underdog. They love a comeback story. They love all these things. So guess what? Luna Classic is going to pump. It's not, but those guys, they're going to be like, ain't that, bro? Don't you remember, like, when Solana died and when it went all the way down to $5 and it was dead? It's dead. It's totally dead. Solana is dead. Because they're stupid, right? So I want you to make fun of them all day long. Make sure you leave a comment down below letting me know how dumb, on a scale of 1 to 10, how dumb do you think those people are when they think that it's dead? Because I just assume they have an extra chromosome because they need it, for being really good at math or whatever, happens there. So I'm going to take this fast. We're going to go fast because I did this before, and I did this. The video was 20 minutes long, and guess what? I had the mute button on the entire time. So we're going to do a much faster one this time. So make sure you hit that like button. Let's go. First of all, price action. What I told you was there would be a bounce here from this bounce that most probably should fill out this. And what's happening right now, it's doing exactly that. So over the next couple days, we should see maybe a 2x or something like that. I would think that we'll get a little bit of positivity on the way. And by the way, in 24 hours, we're going to get another burn from Binance. So that would be a big catalyst, hopefully a big catalyst for a move. I don't know if it will or will not, but the potential certainly exists for that to happen. And right now would be the time for a quick little 2x just to restore a little bit of investor confidence. Bunch of crybabies out here that just, it's not doing everything. You know what I mean? You can't, look, some people are just not going to make it. You're not going to make it. So you're going to cry about everything. And then when it pumps, you're going to be like, yeah, well, now I'm getting out, bro. And then you're going to act like you did something smart when all you did was cry the entire time. You know what I'm talking about. Anyway, so nothing changed over at Commonwealth. Again, I would just encourage you to go look over here at this Beating the Odds thing with Classic Chaos podcast and remove KYC, PPJ, Dynecom, Burn 10. None of that's going to go through. As far as meme coins go, Garuda having a little breakout here. The rest of the market, not yet. Inhera's up 13%. So you got a little bit of value creeping up as we go through the day. Inhera up here has passed Cookie, which is down 10%. So it looks like, Inhera went up 10%, Cookie went down 10%. Got an idea of what happened to that Cookie investor. So not a lot of investors in this. So that's where we are. So let's talk about the amount of volume. We're going to skip through a bunch of this stuff. I did a whole bunch yesterday. Again, I do think that we're going to have that big breakout. It's going to move that way. But let's talk about burns real quick. 959 million burn tomorrow. We're going to get a big burn, probably somewhere in the neighborhood of 1.5 to 1.7 billion. This is a guess by me to be added on to what this total is, which would be about 800, 900. So it'd be 2, 3, close to 3 billion maybe burned over the last little while. We'll see what happens there. But again, just a good amount of burn. If we can keep that going for a period of time, that looks a whole lot better. But the big thing right now is, and by the way, there's just no burns yesterday, just 28 million. But sign up today at Terra Casino. They are the sponsor of this channel. They're the ones that make the world go round. They can give you $11,000 if you just go play. And all you have to do is go over here and just play a little bit. I mean, there's people playing right now, and you're not. I continue to stake with Cryptonomy.finance, and I continue to be impressed. Thanks for tuning in. You can see on the screen right now all of the different transactions. These are the fixed length that I've gone through. As an example, I'm going to earn 0.2 Bitcoin for an investment of 0.2 Bitcoin that I made almost a year ago. That's going to come through on February 10. Currently worth about $20,000. Got an 83% reward getting ready to cash out on USDT. That's money for nothing, guys. My scheduled interest on this is $1,670. I cashed out $82,000 in November of this year after investing about $80,000 as well. This was a gigantic move. I can't tell you that I'm anything more than impressed with Cryptonomy.finance. On my margin trading account so far, I just want you guys to see this. I put 50 Solana in. I've earned a profit so far of 5.5 Solana. Off of my Ethereum, which was 6 Ethereum, I've now earned 0.88 Ethereum. And this is just margin trading. And off of my Bitcoin investment of 10,857, I've earned about $1,000 so far. Right now is the perfect time to get involved in the crypto market. While many people are blindly buying worthless meme coins or joining yield farms, Cryptonomy Ventures has over 6 years of experience and 437 successful dealings at launch stages, which deliver significant returns. In just 2 weeks, Cryptonomy will be launching the Cryptonomy Launchpad, which is going to give exclusive access to early token sales of top Cryptonomy venture products, an excellent opportunity to make significant profits. The company is also preparing a launch of its own token with major exchange listings and events coming very, very soon. Those who support Cryptonomy now will be in the best position to benefit from what's ahead. Guys, let me also point out, Cryptonomy has been featured in CoinDo.com just recently, CoinPaper.com just recently, Finbold, Blockonomy, CoinGape, Bitcoinist, and the Crypto Basic. Guys, Cryptonomy.finance is blowing up. A new coin is about to come out. Make sure that you get your bag filled today. And all it takes is a couple of bucks. Take a shot, see what happens. You can use your XRP, your Bitcoin, your Ethereum. You can use whatever. If you think something's topped out, go ahead and do a little risk-based gaming over here. And again, supports the channel. So thank you so much for your support so far, but sign up for them today. Also, if you want to trade those meme coins I was talking about earlier, Terra.finance. And I did restake like I told you yesterday I would do. I was going to restake, so I'm at 11,036 right now. I've earned a half a Terra since I've done it. Now, Lunc Dash has been updated. This is a big update, in fact, and it's a little bit more navigable. So I like it a little bit better. Really, it's just kind of a color scheme change, but when you look at it, the context menus and things have kind of broken down. But the important part is this right here. This to me is super beneficial. Okay, there are 129,000 wallets that currently hold 100,000 lunc or more. So 129,000 investors here that are holding at least $100. Let's just call it about $70, I guess at this point, or $80. There's 42,000 wallets with over 1 million. There's 6,000 wallets with over 10 million. And there's 720 wallets with over 100 million, 107 wallets with 1 billion tokens in it. And the activity over the last 1 day, 3,400, last 7 days, 12,800, checks out. 14 days, again, checks out, a little bit low. You know, it seems like we're getting a little more active over the last couple of days, but you can see this now, and that's actually going to make a big deal. Like when we're talking about stuff like this, you know, we'll at least be able to see. And then you have over here, these are the total numbers in each one of these wallets. And then USTC, same thing. And of course, you can see right here the TFL, the LFG, those wallets that still need to have burns. And that lawsuit was dismissed for the appeal on the bankruptcy, so they are now free to burn anything that they had not burned previously. So now, so that I'm not taking up too much of your time here, let's just close this out and say, look, point and laugh at the people down there that are idiots. Now, look, I'm telling you right now, it is my opinion that at maximum, at the current rate, we're going to go about 30x. Now, I don't think that that's enough. I think that we should be doing a whole lot more. So I do think that very soon we should see some kind of proposal, or at least a pie in the sky sort of repeg discussion. Leonardo, the ceramic discussion is still out there, but you know, we need some kind of solidarity to build back what's going on. We need to improve what's happening. We got Juris Protocol taking the place of Anchor. We've got Selenium taking the place of Mirror. So we've got a vibrant ecosystem that's about to be built. All we need are lenders. We have 129,000 people with at least $80 in Luna Classic. So there's going to be some interest in it, and we're going to see a pump. Now, 30x from where we are right now. It's about a $13 billion market cap. Surprisingly, that's an easy one. Okay, so that's why I maintain a pretty bullish status right now with it. But again, 30x is not the life-changing, explosive sort of move that I know a lot of you want. But that's what I've got for you right now. They're about a 30x. So want to see more? That could change dynamically and very, very quickly. But we're not there yet when we look at it. So let's see what happens. As a matter of fact, I see volume going down just a little bit, but it's been a really good month, it looks like. So we should see a big burn from Binance. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. And while you're down in the comments down below, make sure you make fun of those dingbats. It's not financial advice, but I'm